Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create personalized QR codes to convert your links in your PowerPoint presentation into shareable QR codes. So let us guide you through this really quickly. It is very simple. Head over to your PowerPoint presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. And let's assume, for example, I would like to convert that URL here of that PowerPoint presentation into a shareable QR code. What you will need to do, guys, is select the slide here on the left hand side where you'd like to place your QR codes. Let me go with slide number 6. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is head over to the Home tab. And here on the right hand side, you will see an option called Add-ins. So click on it or on that arrow down icon. And after that, either use an already installed add-in. As you can see, I added or installed a personalized QR code generator, but you can find one in the Microsoft PowerPoint library by typing in, for example, a QR code or something like that, or QR code generator. Press enter, and after that you will see search results below, or click on more ads here. So pick any of these QR code generators, click on add here to the right, and after that accept the TOS. And once that's done, guys, you will be given the opportunity to use the given add-in. To do that, head back to the Home tab here. And here to the right, you will see add-ins. Click on that arrow down icon and select your QR code generator from the list below. So let me go, for example, with that one here. Then after that, it will open in the panel here on the right hand side. So what you want to do, guys, is simply paste the link or URL address you would like to convert into QR code here. So let me go, as previously mentioned, with the link to that presentation. Paste it here. And after that, select your output file format like PNG or JPEG, the size, and so on and so forth. So keep customizing, guys. You may, for example, select the primary color for the QR code and a secondary color or background color. And once you're ready, guys, simply click on insert QR code here. Wait for the generator to generate your QR code. And as you can see, guys, the QR code has been added to your presentation. Now you may, for example, double click on it to crop it, just like that, for example. And yeah, that's basically it. You may also move it around here or change its size and position, just like that, or rotate it if that's necessary. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.